Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day. Welcome to our video presenting our innovation at IIDEX 2023. We are proud to introduce our team member which is the innovators from Laser Center UTM. The first one is me, Dr. Muhammad Safwan bin Abdul Aziz. The second one is Miss Anishwada Mansour. Then we have Mr. Abdul Rahman Johari, and finally we have Mr. Nurul Hidayat. Years of experience in the field of laser technology, photonics as well as material science, we have successfully developed a groundbreaking solution for repairing parts by using DLMD, which is direct laser metal deposition. So to date, this is the first ever attempt to ever build such system in Malaysia.
In many industries, systems are made up of numerous parts that work together to achieve a specific function. When one or more parts of the system become damaged or broken, the cost of replacing the entire system can be prohibitively expensive. In these cases, repairing the damaged parts is often the only viable option. However, traditional methods of repairing parts such as electrospark, welding or brazing can be unautomated applications, time-consuming, and may not always yield high-quality results. In addition, these methods may not be suitable for repairing high-value components made up of exotic alloy or composite. This poses a significant challenge for industries that rely on complex systems with many parts, as it can impact their bottom line and productivity. To address this challenge, we have developed a solution that uses direct laser metal deposition technology to repair parts quickly, cost-effectively, and without compromising on quality. Direct laser metal deposition is a state-of-the-art process that uses a high-powered laser to melt metal powder, which is then precisely deposited layer by layer. Our innovation has several benefits, including: first, on-site, with very small heat-affected zone. Second, cost savings. Direct laser metal deposition is a cost-effective solution for repairing parts. Third, reduced lead times. Our technology allows for fast and efficient parts repairing. Fourth, improved part quality. Direct laser metal deposition creates parts with high precision and accuracy, ensuring that they are of the highest quality. Here are some examples of parts that we have repaired using direct laser metal deposition. As you can see, the repaired parts are as good as new, and their functional and aesthetic properties are preserved. Our technology requires a few steps to complete. The first one, preparation of the broken or damaged part. Next, the selection of the deposition material. The appropriate deposition material is selected based on the material of the original part. Third, laser metal deposition process. The laser metal deposition process involves using a high-power fiber laser beam to melt the deposition material and fuse it onto the prepared surface of the part. The last but not least is post-processing. After the laser metal deposition process, the repaired part is polished to improve its surface finish, mechanical properties, and performance. Our innovation has significant commercial potential, with application in various industries, including automotive, aerospace, and manufacturing. With our scalable technology, we can cater to low volume and high volume production, making it an ideal solution for both repair shops and large-scale manufacturers. Our innovation has significant commercial potential, with the global market for laser metal deposition expected to reach $3.5 billion by 2027. Finally, our direct laser metal deposition technology offers a cost-effective, efficient, and high-quality solution for repairing parts in various industries. By using this technology, we can significantly reduce the cost and lead time of repairing parts while ensuring that they meet the highest quality standards. Our innovation has significant commercial potential and can offer significant value to various industries. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to potential partnerships and collaboration in the future.